Hi, I'm Angela Ryan and I'm the founder and one of the trainers here at Recovery in Mind. We are a recovery college based here in the central Newbury, and we provide free of charge courses for anybody who'd like to improve their mental health and well-being. And what's different about our courses is that they're not just led by mental health professionals, but also people like me who've had lived experience of their own mental health challenges. And this really inspires and empowers people to start moving forward positively to improve their own mental health. So imagine having the opportunity to gain a GCSE in your own mental health and well-being, and you do that by practicing a group of skills, tools, techniques that we here at Recovery in Mind, and mindsets that we help you to develop. So we run our classroom-based courses here in Broadway House in central Newbury, but we also run other courses in all sorts of other locations around West Berkshire. Our initial course, called Welcome to Recovery, people have the opportunity to come here to do the 5-week course, which is 2 hours on a Tuesday or a Wednesday morning. We also do other courses here like self-esteem, self-compassion. We do our creativity courses here. Weirdly, we ask people to avoid talking about healthcare professionals, treatment, therapy, medication, things like that, because we actually don't find it very, very helpful. What we want to do is people to look forward and to gain the skills and tools and techniques to look after their own mental health and well-being. Some of our courses are based out in the community. For instance, we do a session at the Watermill Theatre. We do Recovery Street, which is a photography course around town. We do things with sport in mind, so we encourage people to do some of the activities that are taking place at the sports centre. We'll go down to our allotment this afternoon, I'll show you that. But we'll also go up to places like Snelsmore Common and Thatcham Discovery Centre, where we do our wellbeing walking. And sometimes we do social opportunities as well in places like that. So we get together, and it's really important. Recovery in Mind, a lot of people feel like they found their tribe. People like them who get their challenges, but positively want to move forward together. So we're really fortunate to be able to use the allotment one morning a week where we come down with students, and we're doing all sorts of light gardening projects. We might be growing some fruit and vegetables. We do a little cutting garden. We'll stop at times and have some coffee and tea together. And it's a really lovely place to come. It's very different from the classroom courses that we run. And this really is somewhere to come, connect with other people, learn something new, spend some time usefully, rather than when we're in a bad place. Sometimes that's when we tend to want to lock ourselves away. But this is actually a great opportunity to connect with other people who also might be struggling with their mental health and well-being. We're learning new skills together, we're connecting, we're making new friendships, and they're all things that we really need to do to improve things for ourselves.
We come up here or we go to other places locally to walk, and we do formal mindful walking, which is about being in the place and observing what's around you. But we also come just to be more sociable as well with the walking, and we'll take notice of what's going on amongst the trees, the horses, and that time out is good for people to just reflect and be sociable, or just have some quiet time. And we know that also we don't do formal therapy within Recovery in Mind, but it's a good time just to relax and chat. So that's the benefits, and it's very popular.
So you might notice me talking about students rather than patients or service users who come to Recovery in Mind. And that's the whole ethos of it. People who join us become students because they're in a learning environment, not therapeutic. And this is an ideal classroom to learn in and to be together. So a very different way, something you might not have tried before. The other thing about Recovery in Mind is that being a recovery college is that all our courses are based on the theme of hope, control and opportunity. When we become hopeless, that's a really difficult place, and we sometimes find it difficult to move forward and we get stuck. And then we need to take control back over our lives, because sometimes when we have mental illness and mental health problems, we really feel that other people are in control, or that we're not doing and living the life we want to. And then the other theme is opportunity, and making most of opportunities like this and the other opportunities that are open to us in our community. West Berkshire is a great place, and we partnership with lots of other organisations who support our work and we support theirs. So come and give it a try, and we welcome you with open arms.